still breathing. We're still here, light creeping through the glass, like it's scared to break the past. City yawning soft and slow, but we're not ready to go. Your shadow leaning into mine, like the night forgot the time. If the sun already knows, let it watch us moving close. No ending in the sound, just a loop we never found. If the world begins to speak, let it whisper, not repeat. The morning never asked us to leave, it just watched us breathe. Yeah. Every step still in the beat, every silence felt complete. The morning never asked us to leave, no need to grieve. If the night still lives in me, it's because of what we keep. Floor marked by yesterday, sweats and lights that couldn't stay. DJ smiling, packing slow, like he understands it all. Your voice tired, soft and real, says more than we ever feel. If this memory fades with sun, I'll replay it when I run. Let the bassline say goodbye, in a language we don't try. Every kick a final vow, every drop is stay for now. The morning never asked us to leave, even when the room felt weak. No regret inside the sound, just the love we never found. The morning never asked us to leave. If the past won't let me sleep, I'll remember how we danced while the night released its hands. If our past divide in days, I'll keep this in quiet ways. No closure, no defeat, just a pulse beneath the street. The morning never asked us to leave, and I finally believe some nights don't need an end, they just teach us how to breathe.
Lights are low, city breathing, your eyes say more than speaking. Hands moving, no direction, just rhythm, just connection. We don't rush, we don't chase, let the bass decide the pace. Every step we take tonight feels like something we won't fight. Don't say love, don't say stay, just move closer anyway. If tomorrow fades away, let this moment be okay. There's a slow fire in my chest when you pull me closer. Yes, every touch is doing less talking, more confess. There's a slow fire in my chest, no regret, no second guess. If this night is all we get, I'll remember every step. soft and deep. Crowd is gone, but we still feel sweat on skin. Love drum low, heartbeats talking real slow. Your smile breaking all my rules, making silence feel brand new. If this vibe could last, oh yeah, I'd stay dancing right here. No pressure, no control, just your body, just your soul. Let the rhythm tell the truth. In the way we move, we move. There's a slow fire in my chest when you whisper with your breath. Every beat is feeling blessed. Nothing more, nothing less. There's a slow fire in my chest, burning calm, not burning stress. If the night don't wanna end, we don't need to pretend. We don't need to pretend. If the lights come on too soon, if the sky turns baby blue, promise me you'll feel the same when you hear this song again. There's a slow fire in my chest and it feels like something real, not a promise, not a test, just the way this moment feels. There's a slow fire in my chest. If tomorrow forgets our names, this rhythm will still remain in my body, in my veins. Slow fire. Still burning. Yeah, still spinning. More time. Last train calling from the street, but my feet stayed on the beat. Every step I try to leave, the rhythm pulls back on me. Your reflection in the grass, like the night won't let us pass. We've been dancing past the point where we're supposed to stop. No more words inside our mouth, only breath counting us out. If the end is closing in, let it find us smoother still. We dance past goodbye, past the moment we should've known, when the lights came out too soon. We were already gone. We danced past goodbye, no direction left to try. If the night forgets our names, at least the rhythm won't lie. Look, drums off, the heartbeats clear. Every sound pulls you near. Sway, drying on your skin like this island settling. And DJ fade into a loop. Crowd is all just me and you. If this track don't ever end, I won't ask it how or when. Let the city wake and breathe. We still lost inside the beat. Even daylight feels delayed when the night refuses change. We dance past goodbye till the speakers couldn't try. Even when the music broke, we kept moving in our minds. We
calling me. Aye, 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 aye. Yeah, yeah. Midnight falling on my skin. City quiet days rolling in. Your silhouette under the light, pulling me deep into the night. Every step slow like prayer. Your energy filling the air. No rush, no need to explain. The night keeps calling my name. Your touch speaks in rhythm and tone, telling me I'm not alone. Heartbeat matching every drum. Something heavy and warm has come. Midnight calls my name. Every time you move my way. No ways, but it feels the same. Your body pulling me again. Midnight calls, midnight calls. In this dark we feel no shame. Every time you play the game.
Midnight calls my name. Log drum knocking in my chest. Every drop kicks different, yes. Your waist talking slow and short. Every move got me wanting more. Sweat and sound begin to blend. Don't know where we start or end. If this moment fades at dawn, I still want to hold it on. Stay with me inside this groove. Let the night tell us what to do. No tomorrow, no goodbye. Just your breath and mine collide. Midnight calls my name.
Every time you move my way. No words, but it feels the same.
Your body pulling me
Again.
Midnight calls, midnight calls.
In this dark we feel no shade. Every night you play the game.
So calling, calling, don't stop.
When the sun tries to rise, I still feel you in my mind.
Midnight, still calling my name.
Slow. When the sun tries to rise, I still feel you in my mind.
Midnight, still calling my name.
In light drive, city lights. Midnight driving through the city glow. Windows down, let the feeling flow. Street lights dancing on your skin. Every mile pulling us deeper in. Leather seats, space moving slow. Radio playing something low. from the corner block to Skyline View. Same rhythm right to me and you. No rush, no destination, just vibes and elevation. If tomorrow feel too far, tonight exactly where we are.
Midnight drive with the Afrobeat, slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bass line hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Oh, 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 ride it slow. Oh, 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 let it go. Oh, oh, city lights, Afrobeat all night. Oh, oh, ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights, Afrobeat all night. Dashboard glowing out on cruise. Every breath feeling brand new. No crowd noise, just the sound. Baseline holding us down. From Lagos roads to LA lane. London nights, Tokyo rain. Different cities, same control. This rhythm riding in my soul.
No words, just motion. Deep like the ocean. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ spin again. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat, slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bass line hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Minimal percussion, guitar riff echoing, feel the net past breathing. Africa speaking through the night, oh so rapping neon light. This sound don't need no crowd, it hit deep, it's when it loud. Every mile erase the stress, every beat say you blessed. If you lost, don't be afraid, this rhythm guide the way.
Engine up, heartbeat match, city blur, moments catch. No past, no future zone, just the night and Afro tone.
Midnight drive, turn it up, feel the bass inside your chest. From the city to the sky, midnight drive.
Midnight drive, worldwide, different roads, same vibe. When the rhythm take control, midnight drive.
Yeah. Turn it up. From Africa to the world. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting your eye. From the block to the penthouse view, same rhythm make me move with you, dear. DJ spin that African song, heartbeat match when the drum go pound. Every corner of the globe tonight, we connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline, just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now, let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Afrobeat call, we come. Summer breeze with the ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain, shining skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to beachside flame. Same beat, different name. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again. Yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage. Oh, so mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat feel aligned. Africa living in the sound. Lights low, rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street, yeah. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Turn it louder, let the whole world see. No fear, no hate, just unity. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. From the club straight to the embassy. Every nation moving equally. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy, yeah. Shoot us alright, we still stand drop. Energy, yeah.
Yeah. Still here, don't rush. Don't rush. Empty glasses on the floor. Same song echoing once more. Lights still low but softer now. Like the night forgot how loud. Your jacket falling off your bleach. Every touch a quiet yes. We don't talk, we don't explain. Let the silence say the same. Crowd is gone but we remain. Just the rhythm and the pain. If this moment starts to bend, I don't want it fixed again. When the floor gets quiet and the speakers lose their fire, I still feel you in the sound. Moving slow, spinning around. When the floor gets quiet and the lights begin to tire, if the night lets go of us, stay a little, stay in. Lock drums softer than before, but it hits me even more. Every beat a memory etched inside my body. Sweat cooling on our skin. Don't know where we've really been. If this ends without a sign, I'll still call this moment mine. No rewind, no repeat, but the groove stays underneath. Even silence has a tone when you're not dancing alone. When the floor gets quiet, when the floor gets quiet, I don't need another night, and another night. Even if the music dies, the music dies, you're still moving in my mind. You're still moving in my mind. When the floor gets quiet, when the floor gets quiet, no more chasing highs, just your breath and broken beats. Holding DJ packs it up. If the sun starts calling us, I don't need a perfect end, just this loop we're dancing. When the floor gets quiet, when the floor gets quiet, I'll remember how it felt. Every step we didn't take, every step we didn't take, every word we never said. Still moving, so quiet. Yeah, we stay. Still here. Clock forgot the way to move. Every sucker stuck with you. City breathing soft and low, like he doesn't want us gone. Your laugh cuts through the dark. There's a mark inside my chest. If this moment's all we own, it's more than I expect. No rush, no destination, just a beating conversation. If the world wakes up too soon, let it wait outside this room. We stay longer than the night, past the edge of a wrong and a right. Every shadow felt like home, every silence had a tone. We stay longer than the night, till the dark gave up the fight. If the sun finds us like this, let it see we didn't miss. Floor still warm beneath our feet, sweat and rhythm bittersweet. DJ loop you one more time, like he knows I'm not done yet. Your eyes heavy on his load, tell me things you never wrote. It's this ends when lights appear, I'll still feel you everywhere. Let the bassline speak for us, say the things we never trust. Every kick a promise made, every drop we never fade. We stay longer than the night, even when the room went quiet. No regrets inside the sound, only truth we never found. We stay longer than the night, till the beat became our light. If tomorrow calls my name, I'll remember you the same. If we're just into our days, I'll keep this in different ways. No goodbye, no release, just your rhythm living in me. If we're just into our days, I'll keep this in different ways. No goodbye, no release, just your rhythm living in me. Stay longer than the night, still here. We stay.
step pulling me in. Your energy loud and clear. City heat mixed with your touch. I didn't plan to want you this much. Amapiano running slow. Every beat saying don't let go. Don't speak, I feel you loud. Your silence moving through the crowd. Every breath calling my name, lighting up a quiet flame.
Cause your body knows my name, even when we don't say a thing. Every move plays the same game, pulling me deeper in your flame. Your body knows, your body knows, your body knows,
Your body knows.
every time we sway the same. Your body knows my name. Yeah, love drum knocking deep and low, matching how our feelings grow. Your hands talking on my waist, slow motion, perfect pace. Yeah.
Your eyes say stay right here, like nothing else outside is real. Every sway breaking my guard, loving you ain't even hard. Take it slow, don't rush the night. Let the dark feel warm and light, skin to skin, no disguise. Read my soul in your eyes.
Cause your body knows my name, even when we don't say a thing.